Hey everyone, welcome back. So I'm really excited for today's video. I'm going to share with you my earrings collection. Now this is not all of my collection. I also have a lot of tops and studs, but they're so basic and everybody has them, so I didn't find the need to include them in this video. So all I'm going to show you is basically the danglers and the hooks that I have, and even in that category I have only chosen the ones that I really like and I actually use, and most of these earrings are the ones which I use with my Indian outfits, because whenever I wear western I don't wear a lot of big earrings. I usually wear like studs and tops, which I am not showing in this video, but I also like them. Now these are not from any big brands, because there's no need for me or anybody to buy earrings from big brands. I mean, you don't wear these big earrings every day, so why do you want to buy them from big brands? I mean, it's completely useless. All these earrings, they are very big and they might look very expensive, but most of them are not expensive. They're like under 500 rupees, and I've bought them from like local stores. Whenever I find like good big earrings, I just immediately buy them. I don't really care about the brand they are from. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before that, I want you all to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you happen to like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, just let me know if you have any comments, or which of the earrings you actually like. So just let me know in the comment section. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. that's it guys, that's all I have for you in this video. I can't feel my ears after wearing so many earrings. They're crying out for help, so I really need to do something to them. They're paining a lot. Those were all the earrings I wanted to show you. I have a lot of other earrings, but you know, they're completely useless. I've just bought them, but I don't wear them so much. These are my absolute favorites and I do wear them a lot and I repeat them. And I love earrings, and if you do too, give this video a thumbs up and let me know which one of these earrings you liked in the comment section. And like I said, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.